Binalik, pinasa kay Yang. Pinakabata sa court. Tira. 2 points, wala.
Tayo, set!
Wala.
Kinaano pa na?
Out of bounds. Foul.
Kabay, kasama mo rin si RJ.
13 foul ang Memphis.
Kasama mo rin si RJ sa part-time.
Oo, kasama ko. Thursday.
Free throw tayo.
Anong bread round?
Arizona warning for
Okay lang.
Best bread pa. Kayo na, meron dito eh. Kaya ka pa, pati yan.
Second shot. Zarco. Wala pa rin. Yan, nabong-bola. May foul. Out eh.
Tayo, pre, box!
Wala, number 18 yan.
May free shot. Galing kay Boss shot.
Ito, wala, banda ko.
Both teams warning for penalty ha. Free shot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wilson versus
4 minutes.
Kuya. Jump on.
5-3 and 5-3. Favor of Arizona.
Good for 2 points by jersey number 4.
Nakuha niya Mario.
Kuya.
Single pa rin.
Akin po.
Nakuha ni Franco. Penetrate. Wow.
Kunanan.
Blue ball.
Offensive foul by jersey Kunanan.
5 minutes.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Yan, penetrating. Kaya nagpapasahan nila sa kanan, natapik.
Los Santos.
Kuha niyo bola.
Los Santos.
Sino foul?
To Kuya.
2-7.
Los Santos again, 14 to shoot.
2 shots siya, 2 shots.
No good.
Unang gusto, bala.
Out of bound.
Wala. Both teams, may pareho kayong timeout.
14 to shoot.
Kaya ka muna dyan.
Both teams, may pareho pang timeout ha.
Wala na. 10 to shoot.
No good.
Wala pa rin.
Like, wag mo na ako na.
Arizona's ball. 3
Kuya.
minutes, 10
Wala.
seconds. Bravo, nagbababa ng bola.
No good again. Yon, pasok.
Buta tayo ni Bala.
Score, 4-0.
Boss Jen.
Wilson. Foul. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, that is your first personal foul.
May foul.
First team foul.
Timeout.
Wala. Second bonus shot.
Memphis.
Wala pa rin. Kuya na. Kuya. Triple the ball. Laksak. Still. Ayan na si jersey number 120. Humangga, giba. Good for 2 points by jersey number 120. Los Santos set the play.
Same ball, Arizona.
Foul, jersey number 120. That is our first personal foul, second team foul.
Mr. Ice, number 1. First shot, no good.
Los Santos setting the play.
Kuya, kasi baka maano yung ano namin.
Los Santos,
Ilang konting.
no good.
Yung live na, balik tayo para
Same ball. Next ball, Mr. Amalia.
Bola na Patrick.
Number 1. Number 10, number 10.
Patrick.
9.
Kuya Levi, pwede mo isip lakas ulit.
Okay na to.
Tukunanan, titira na, pupukol ng 3, wala.
Palit na lang kami mamaya. Palit na lang.
1-2-0, that is your second personal foul, third team foul.
16.
Los Santos
Second shot.
setting the play.
Nakuha pa rin ang Mario. 2 minutes. Pinasa. Up.
14 to shoot.
Traveling.
No good.
Memphis ball.
Air ball.
Philip, nagbababa ng bola ng tunga sa kaibanan. Aldag. Off. Same ball. Memphis ball.
Jersey number 0, titira ng 3, wala.
Same ball, Memphis ball.
Out of bound again.
Number 19, wala.
De Los Santos, nagmamadali.
Ay, kulang, nagmamadali.
Nagmamadali, De Los Santos. Sasalaksak.
Sabi lang, walang passport.
No good. First foul rep.
Wala pa, Ethan.
Number 1.
Pinasa
That is
kaya
our first
po.
personal
Meme,
foul.
Kumandan. May kasamang foul.
Warning for penalty.
Penalty, 2 shots yan.
14 to shoot.
Ref, sino yung foul?
Nice spin naman yun. Ang ganda naman nun.
2-7, Dinesa.
Jersey number 4.
Daming foul, first shot pa lang. First shot yan.
Pass to jersey number 120. Kontra Kipana naman. Wala. Ito na si jersey number 18.
Shoot yan. Okay, 5-6 ang score. 43 minutes. 43 seconds.
4 minutes
Jerome
remaining.
Castil, nagmamadali.
Score 6-2.
Yan, naghanap ng papasahan. Pumeke.
Jersey number 4.
Number 19, Zarco.
Kuya.
Tumira. Wala.
Setting the play.
Off.
De Los Santos. Titira 3. Pick.
Pua. Shoot
Yung
yan.
jumper. Wala.
2 points. Point
13.
Pua.
Wala pa rin. Kunanan.
17 seconds.
Kunanan. Nagmamadali. Kunanan.
16. Mata. Cap.
Foul.
Good yan, good. Walang foul. Good. 9 seconds. 7.
Jersey number 10. Kuya.
5, 4, 3.
That is your first personal foul.
Wala.
Take
No,
that.
no basket. Wala.
Second team foul. Pasok. Unang tira ni Kunanan. Second bonus shot.
5 ka lang score ha. Palagi, di ba? Kulang yung score mo. Relax ka lang. Counting yung shot mo.
Wala.
Nabidyoan.
Yan na.
Hindi lang na-record.
Jersey number 18. Sumalaksak. Kinaliwa. Good for 2 points.
Memphis at saka
Bye.
second time pasok.
Kyle Papelero. Wala pa rin.
Sinong foul?
Jersey number 4. That is your third personal foul. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Ken Ognyala.
Kunanan again for the bonus shot. Good for 1 point by jersey number 9. Kunanan.
Johnson.
Second bonus shot.
Memphis. Oh. Same ball. Memphis yan.
Good. Complete 2.
Johnson naghanap ng papasahan. Oh, umikot. Ang ganda ng ikot. Ganda ng pasa. Oh,
De Los Santos.
may kasamang foul. Counted. By Nolan.
Papero.
Ano?
Papalero.
Papaneho.
Papalero.
Papanero.
Papalero.
First foul.
Papi na lang.
Pinson.
Pinapahirap ko pa.
Bonus shot. Donado.
Papi.
Good.
Papilero.
Parpin na lang.
Yun. Bin na lang. De Los Santos 40 to shoot.
Bababa ng bola. Pinasa kay Ken.
To Asi.
Nagpa.
No good. In and out. Niluha pa.
Ken, tumira ng 3. Tapos.
Foul. Jersey number 10.
Memphis ball.
Jersey number 10. That is your second personal foul.
Pinasa kay Donado. Pinaligid Johnson.
Both teams warning.
Both team warning for penalty.
Sa kaibigan.
Wala.
Tumira 2 points.
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Parang pansit. Umikot.
Second throw.
May foul.
Wala pa rin.
May foul. Number 5.
14 to shoot.
Hindi, 10 na shoot.
Wala pa rin.
Second team foul. First personal foul.
Ayan na, nagmamadali si De Los Santos. May kasama pang foul. Kunanan, that is your second personal foul. Penalty.
Hindi penalty. Bonus shot.
Counted.
Personal foul.
Last 35 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. Wala. 25 seconds remaining. Who's foul rep?
Tatlo na yun. Penalty.
Penalty tayo. Hunanan, that is your third personal foul.
Kailan ba yung foul?
End of the first quarter. Pasok. Unang tira. Second bonus shot. Papasok kaya? Wala. End of the first quarter. Dito na tayo sa pangalawang yugto.
Second quarter na.
Second quarter.
Bola ng Wilson.
Bola ng Wilson.
Uy! Lihat tumira. Goal green. Lamang ng Memphis ng
The big man. Good for 2 points. Lazada.
Memphis ball.
Walang nakita. Sayang. Turno.
Pinasa kay Leonardo. Pinasa sa
14 to shoot. The jersey number 0. Yan. Good for 2 points. By jersey number 16.
second team foul.
Dela Rama.
Arizona's ball, ha?
And na si Cruz. To big man. Easy basket kaya. Wala pa rin. Ayun na. Uy, sayang. Another pupuol. Good for 2 points again. 0. Cruz. Nagmamadali si Cruz. They still si Cruz. Good for 2 points by jersey number 16. Score 17-10. 10 ng kalamangan ni Kuya. To Wilson.
Wala.
Wilson. Foul jersey number 1.
Second attempt.
Time out! Kuya. Jersey number 1. That is your first personal foul. First team. First bonus shot para kay Wilson. Pasok. Second bonus shot. Wala. Traveling violation.
Tinaktak pa eh.
Sayang. Yan na, nagmamadali si jersey number 14. Titira ng 3 si 0. Wala. Si Cruz. Nagmamadali si Cruz.
First shot. Good.
Wala pa rin. To big man. Lazada, wala.
Second shot.
Ayan na. 0. Wala.
Bottom Taylor's ball.
Who's fouled up? Jersey number 4. 6, sorry. Jersey number 6, that is your first personal foul. Cruz. First team foul. Second bonus shot. Wala. Ayan na si Wilson, nagmamadali. Ay! Out of bounds. Sayang.
First shot. Shoot.
Uy, munti ka na maagawan. RJ to Angulo. Angulo, sasalaksak. Side step. Good for 2 points by Angulo. The score, 19-18. lamang pa rin ang kuya. To RJ, to Patrick. No good again. Sayang. Ayan na, nagmamadali na. Nagmamadali. Wala. Uy, foul, wala. Bola. To RJ.
Nice day.
Good for 2 points by RJ.
Penalty.
Ano yan, sir? Out of bounds? Out of bounds. Sayang. Wala pa rin. Nagmamadali si Papi. Papi. No good. Lusada to Cruz. Cruz to Kunanan. Kunanan turnover. Wala. Kick ball. Ang sabi ni Rep. Sayang. Kiligit. Nagkikigel.
Gigigil si Diyos, sa tatlo na yun.
Ayan na si Papi. No good. Wilson again. Jersey number 14. That is your first personal foul. Second team foul. Cruz ang nagdadala. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. RJ, easy basket. To Papi. Nagmamadali. Marvin. Ayan na. To Angulo. Setting the play. Papi again. Titira ng 3. For 2. Walay. Sada ang rebound.
Push!
Ayan na si Cruz.
Still!
Jersey number 1.
Angulo.
Angulo, that is your second personal foul. Third team foul.
15 seconds.
Pre, double agad!
3 minutes.
10 to
RJ, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Wala. To Wilson.
Basket, blue ball, next ball.
Grabe si Rito. Dalawa na si Oton.
That is your second personal foul.
Warning.
Warning for penalty. Kick ball.
Angulo! Ayaw mo na maliit!
Sada. Who's fouled up? Penalty. Jersey number 0. Penalty na tayo, ha? Number 0, that is your second personal foul penalty. First pa lang. Bonus. Puntos. Last 2 minutes. Pasok. Dalawa. Bonus shot. Angulo. Jersey number 0 to Papi. Papi for 3 points. Cruz. To Kunanan. Kunanan setting the play. 14 to shoot. Wala. Naagawan. Usman Rip. Lusada. That is your first personal foul. Second team foul. To Wangala. Tira ng 3. Wala. Kunanan, that is warning na. Warning na, Kunanan. Wala. Wala pa rin. Lusada RJ. RJ. No more shot clock. 20 seconds left. Who's holding, sir? Jersey number 1. Time out. Time out. Patrick. Sino pa mo? Number 1. That is your third personal foul. 12 seconds.
Wala. Warning pa lang.
Wala?
Warning ka lang.
Tatlo
pa lang.
Okay na. Tatlo.
Isa pa nga kayo para warning.
Wala.
Anggulo. Shot na ka. Anggulo, shooter.
Wala. Nakuha ni Patrick. Wala pa rin. To Papi. 5 to shoot. Wala na. End of the second quarter. Dito na tayo sa pangatlong yugto. Okay, back to the ball game. De Los Santos.
Baliktad!
De Los Santos. Jersey number 16. Sayang. Miscommunication. Yan na si RJ. Setting the play. RJ setting the play. 12 to shoot.
Nice foul. Dalawa.
Who's foul rep? Jersey number 7. That is your first personal foul. First team foul. Wala. Second bonus shot. Para kay RJ. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si Pigman. De Los Santos nagmamadali, sasalaksak. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 81. Taba. Tulas. First personal foul. First team foul. Pasok. Score 23-14.
Jersey number 5, Sarabia.
Wala.
Second team foul for Team Memphis.
Bola ng Wilson. Walang gustong kumuha ng bola. Sada. Jersey number 1. Pasok. Shout out kay Ronya. Share the live. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si jersey number 1. Nagmamadali. Pasok. Lima na. De Los Santos.
Miranda.
Okay.
Bigay. Sigapi.
Oy, sayang. Time out. Kuya. Score 23-18. Lamang pa rin ang Kuya. 7 minutes. Wilson. RJ setting the play. Pitira na 3. Wala, airport.
Happy watching Roniel.
Santos. Easy basket kaya. Wala. Out of bound. Same ball. 14 to shoot.
Hindi kita yung...
Pasok. Why? Number 7, the big man. Pasok. 7.
14, sorry. Jerome.
RJ again.
1
To Romero, sidestep. Wait, they still again.
Paroro.
Wala.
Uy, palakas na tira ng JR.
Nagmamadali. Wala, sayang. Nakuha ni RJ. Si basket kaya. Pasok ni Romero. 5 na lang ang kalamangan. 6 minutes and 5 seconds.
Sarabia.
Tira ng 3. Wala. Pass break para kay Lusada. Wala pa rin. Sayang. Wala. Foul.
Sada, dalawa.
Jersey number 4. That is your third personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul. Wala. Second body shot. Pasok.
Sir, may bigit sub kami.
Okay, 5 minutes. Reserve sub.
Ganun lang lang yan. 26-31.
Punta na Santos. Titira ng 3. Wala.
Sebat. Wala.
RJ setting the play. Oy, ang ganda pasa Romero, 50 to shoot. Nice. Uy, sayang. Lusada again. Wala pa rin. Pasok talaga ni Romero. Pinakros. Dalawa na lang. Jersey number 7. Pasok.
3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Score 27-23. Wala. Reserve sub. Reserve sub, ha? 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Wala. Air ball. Ayun na. Nagmamadali. Si Jersey number 0. Sub, rep. Sub.
Buwa, may interview dito, di na kayo na. Ano ba yung ano sa kawa mo kanina?
Ayos lang.
Ha?
Ayos naman.
Ano ka? Interview kita. Ano, break time, interview.
Hey.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
Ano ba sabi mo, boss? Break time.
Jersey number 14 titira ng 3 for 3. Wala. Another.
4-2.
Wala pa rin.
Binigay kay Johnson.
De La Cruz.
Pambakan. Malagaw for 3.
Nice dribbling. RJ. RJ. 10 to shoot. Offensive foul. Jersey number 120. That is your. Tatlo na yan? Dalawa. Third personal foul. Third team foul na.
Second.
12 to shoot.
Tatlo na lang po, Kalaman. Sarabia. Oy.
Wala. RJ. Nagmamadali. Ay! Lumagpas. Lusada. Yan si Lusada. Wala pa rin. Ayan na si Ratan. Good for 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. The score 29-23 in favor by Kuya. Last 15 seconds shot clock. For 3. Wala. Sayang.
Tulak, Rep.
Kuha na naman.
Rep.
Who's foul, rep? Lusada, that is your.
33.
Second personal foul.
Third team foul.
Third team foul.
Sarabia, tinatala yung bola. Sarabia, ibigay kay Thompson.
Easy basket kaya? Wala. Traveling violation. Ang sabi ni Rap.
Number 24. Second team foul.
Traveling again. Puso ang traveling. Sabrip! Simon! Wilson.
Ay, dalawa po pumasok. 25-22.
Wala.
1 minute and
Score 29-23. Lamang ang Kuya. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. Okay. Back to the ball game. Bola ng Kuya. Ayan na. Ayan na. Oy! Traveling violation. Warning. Pinyas.
Dalawa pa lang kayo.
RJ starting the play. Last 15 to shoot.
Ilalim mo, pre! Ilalim mo!
10 to shoot. Titira na tres. Wala. Ang pinis. Oy! Kickball. Ang sabi ni Rep. Last 25 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Wala. Last 10 seconds. Jersey number 7. That is your second personal foul. And of the third quarter, bonus shot para kay jersey number 120. Unang tira, pasok. Pangalawang tira, pasok na naman, complete. 2 bonus shot. Score 29-25. Apat na lang ang kalambangan ni Kuya.
hindi po na sakundira ni Mar.
This is the last quarter. Fourth na. Bola ng Wilson. Let's get ready. Ready. RJ. Patrick. Nagmamadali. Titira na tres. Wala.
Second,
Ay! Turnover.
jersey number 4. Mata. Jersey number 1.
Kunanan to RJ. Dribbling with the ball.
Next game, connection.
Jersey number 1.
Meron. Kunanan. May kasama pang foul. Jersey number 18. Papi, that is your first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot para kay Kunanan.
Number 5 for delaying the game.
Wala. Papi again. Sumalaksak. May kasama pang foul. Lusala, that is your third personal foul, first team foul. At may bonus shot kay Papi. Kay Papi Marvin. Pasok.
13 foul.
The score 32-27. malaki pa rin ang kalamangan ni Kuya. Romero, didiskarte. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Tukunanan. 5 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Solong-solo. Goodbye. Score 34-27 in favor by Kuya. Last 8 minutes. RJ. Ay, foul. Angulo. Angulo, that is your warning now. Warning. Second team foul. Di ba may contact yun? RJ, pupukol. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Easy basket by Miranda. Lusada. Side step. Wala. Sayang. Ayan na naman si Miranda. Good for Tybon. Bola ng Wilson. Ayan na. Kunanan. Sasalaksak. Kunanan. Graduate. Sayang Kunanan. Maaga ang graduation. Angulo. Pass to. Yun o, lakas ni Laos. Easy basket kaya. Wala pa rin.
Lakay, maglaro ka sa ilalim, Lakay!
Ayan na si Miranda setting the play. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Angulo. Wala. Jersey number 7. That is your third personal foul. Third team foul. Ayan na, nagmamadali na sila. 3-1-1-20. Rubbing violation. Sayang. Nakita yun ni Red.
Papaliwanag ko.
Ayan na si Miranda. 15 to shoot. Oy, naman ang gandang pasa. Last 40-27. Last 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Naagawan na naman. Ayan na naman sila. Angulo. Relax ang sabi ng Team Kuya. Last 10 seconds. 5. Wala. Oy. Labas ang sabi nila. 10 seconds. 5. For 3 points ni Papi. Ayan na si Patrick. Pasok. Reserve sub, boss, ha. Okay.
Aras, aras!
Si Miranda. Another 2 point. Ay, wala. Ayan na si Wilson. Easy basket kaya. Saiba! Ay, wala. Wala, time out. Wala.
Kenneth, ilalim ka. Kenneth.
Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Number 1.
Cruz, huwag mo na, Cruz.
Sub. Reserve sub.
Tumawag, baka matikilan tayo.
Wala.
Tayo muna tumawag.
Reserve sub tayo, reserve sub.
Malayo pa pala, 3 minutes pa.
3 minutes and 4 seconds, 44, 37, in favor of Team
Score. Wala pa rin kay Wilson. Lusada. Wala talaga. Yun.
Benja!
Score, 31-43.
Huwag mo na,
foul. Jersey number 25, Thompson.
Oy! Nice spin. Last 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 for 3. Wala. Foul. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. That is your
Dalawa.
second personal foul. Warning na. Warning for penalty, ha? Oy, wala pa rin. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5. Who's foul, rep? Sub, rep.
13 foul. Tatlo na si Lozada.
Lozada, that is your third personal foul.
13 foul.
Ulan sila, first team pa lang pala? Third team foul. Papi. Last 11 seconds, 10.
Now goes to referee Randy. The next.
5. Ay. Ayan na. Si RJ titira ng 3 for 3 points. RJ, that is your... Ilan yun kay RJ? Second personal foul.
Sub.
Sub rep! Pasok!
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty na tayo, ha? Jersey number 1.
Penalty.
Both team penalty out. Warning for penalty na tayo, ha? Isa na.
Dalawa.
Ay, dalawa ko yan. Bonus shot. Pasok. Time out. Time out.
The score namin, 46 seconds.
Time out. Wilson. Score 34-45.
Kicks out to number 25.
Once ang kalambangan ni Kuya, 1 minute and 14 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game.
Penalty. Ruben, 5 personal fouls.
Ayan na si De La Cruz. Three, wala. RJ, tira ulit ng 3. Cruz, agaw. Foul. Jersey number 14. Penalty.
Number 23. Tipping zone.
Graduate. Jersey number 14. Wala. Second bonus shot.
May foul, tipping zone, number 4.
Last 1 minute.
Pumasok ba?
Wala.
22 seconds remaining. 2 shots.
Pasok.
by referee Randy.
Baba nyo lang, baba nyo lang.
Penalty.
Eh, pinumura ka rin po.
Third shot, hilahin. Mataas ang hangin.
Jersey number 1. That is your
Second shot.
penalty.
Ayun.
Ilan na yung sinabi mo?
Forward pass to Benzor.
Romero.
Pinili na 3 points. High shot. Pass ball.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty.
Bonus shot kay Miranda. Pasok.
Time remaining 13 seconds. Still an 8-point lead by team Memphis. First shot is no good. Palaki Pinson.
Pasok. Bonus shot. Complete 2 points.
Second shot.
Cruz again.
Tama naman sa ring. Nakuha ng
Romero.
Wala.
Wala.
Kapus.
Wilson. Pasok.
6 seconds remaining. 2 points.
Pasok. RJ.
First game. Final score. 50.
Wow, RJ.
30. Congratulations.
Simon Kuya.
Our best player of the game.
Back to the ball game.
North Carolina versus Santa.
Charger.
Wala.
Labanan ng top 2 teams natin. North Carolina and versus
Pasok. Second bonus shot. Wala.
Labas mo. Labas. Bigay.
Last 7 seconds. 5. Jersey number 6. Next game, prepare and collection. Dress up. Pasok.
Si De La Santos, no? De Los Santos.
Oh.
Ha?
Baba na.
The score 49-37. Last 35 seconds. RJ. Titira na 3. Airball.
SDA.
Wala na. Our responsibility natin, teams, both teams.
Okay, congratulations, Team Kuya and Team Wilson. They give up. They concede. Give up.
Best players, De Los Santos.
Best player,
Sino? Miranda ba yan?
Miranda.